Living in a small space can be challenging, especially when it comes to keeping things organized. I have listed the best 20 space-saving Amazon must-haves that can help you make the most of your tiny kitchen or compact living area. From smart storage solutions to multifunctional gadgets, these products are all about making your space work better for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Yalban Cabinet Organizer. The stackable cabinet organizer offers versatility with 3 different sizes that can be used individually, nested, or creatively arranged. Its stackable design makes it perfect for storing dishes, glasses, toys, school supplies, accessories, and cosmetics, enhancing space utilization. Made from durable acrylic material, it's easy to clean with just detergent and water. Ideal for craft closets, pantries, and kitchen cabinets, this practical organizer optimizes storage space throughout your kitchen and home without requiring assembly. Wally Outlet Shelf Wall Holder. Create extra storage space with a convenient wall outlet shelf featuring a 4.3-inch wide and 5.1-inch deep platform, capable of supporting up to 10 pounds. Installation is simple, taking only a few minutes to replace your existing outlet cover. Its sleek, modern design complements any room, making it ideal for smart home speakers, toothbrushes, power tools, keys, and more. Free up valuable floor and countertop space throughout your home effortlessly. Furino Corner Storage. Designed to maximize corner space, the streamlined corner storage unit offers a stylish and practical solution for showcasing books, collectibles, plants, and decorative items. Its open shelving concept with 3 spacious shelves provides easy access to items from any angle. Built from high-quality, durable composite wood, this unit is both sturdy and eco-friendly, adhering to PEFC standards. Perfect for enhancing your living space while keeping your belongings organized and beautifully displayed. DMTX CRP Dish Drying Rack. Maximize counter space with this compact yet spacious dish drying rack, perfect for drying pots, bowls, plates, and more. Its 360-degree rotatable drainage pipe and raised base stand ensure efficient water drainage even with sinks that aren't flush with the countertop. Quick and easy to assemble in just 4 steps, it features a detachable 2-in-1 design for greater convenience. Ideal for larger families looking to keep their kitchen counters organized and dry. Ricktop Bamboo Drawer Dividers. Achieve perfectly organized drawers with these adjustable bamboo dividers, expandable from 17 to 22 inch in length with a 2.5-inch height. Versatile enough for use in kitchen drawers, dressers, office desks, or bathrooms, these dividers provide a practical solution for decluttering and organizing utensils, clothes, makeup, and more. Made from high-quality natural bamboo, they offer a durable, smooth, and eco-friendly alternative to plastic. Easy tool-free installation ensures a perfect fit every time. ProCase Jewelry Organizer Stand. Enhance your vanity or dresser top with this elegant jewelry organizer featuring a sturdy metal frame with a padded base. Its 4-tier design with a tray allows for neatly storing necklaces, earrings, rings, and bracelets, making it easier to find and pair your jewelry pieces. The sleek combination of metal and natural wood offers a stylish touch to any space. This organizer makes a perfect gift for any jewelry lover on various occasions. Iris Drawer Storage Organizer. Versatile and durable, this drawer storage organizer is designed to help keep household essentials neatly arranged. Whether used in offices, closets, kids' rooms, or craft rooms, it provides convenient storage for frequently used items. The sturdy plastic construction ensures lasting durability, with smooth glide drawers for easy access. Made in the USA using recyclable materials, it's also eco-friendly and certified Green Circle compliant. Its removable wheels offer effortless mobility or secure placement when needed. ZDWCYL Clothes Drying Rack. The tri-folding clothes drying rack offers a space-saving solution with its ability to fold against the wall when not in use. Crafted from high-quality space aluminum, this rack boasts impressive durability, supporting up to 220 pounds. Suitable for balconies, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or bedroom windows, it allows you to rotate clothes for optimal sunlight exposure. Its rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant design ensures longevity, making it a reliable choice for efficient air drying. Gizmos Folding Entryway Stool. This folding entryway stool provides a space-saving solution with its wall-mounted design, easily folding away when not in use. The sturdy stainless steel bracket supports up to 330.69 pounds, offering reliable seating for changing shoes. With a spacious seating area of 14.37 by 11.81 inches, it ensures comfort while its rounded corners enhance safety. Built from high-density fiberboard and featuring a scratch-resistant surface, this durable stool ensures long-lasting use. Sleeping Lamb Over-the-Door Shoe Organizer. The over-the-door shoe organizer offers a compact storage solution with 8 spacious shelves that can hold up to 22 pairs of shoes. Its extra-large pockets, measuring 16.7-inch width x 9-inch depth x 7-inch height, accommodate shoe sizes from 7 to 13, including size 12 boots without sagging. Made from premium Oxford fabric, it provides excellent tear resistance and long-lasting durability. The convenient open-top design ensures easy access while securely holding shoes in place. BSVOG Water Bottle Organizer. Versatile compatibility and 360-degree rotating design make this tumbler organizer a must-have for drinkware enthusiasts. It accommodates popular brands like Stanley, Owala, Yeti, and more, storing up to 6 bottles with dedicated slots for cup handles. Made from premium wood with a polished finish, it offers stable, stylish organization without scratching cups. The smooth, steady rotation feature ensures easy access, whether placed in a cabinet or on a countertop, enhancing both functionality and elegance. Funrolux Folding Dining Table. Multifunctional and space-saving, this extendable folding table offers a versatile solution for dining, working, or decor. It effortlessly transforms from a compact console table to a spacious dining table seating 4 to 7 people. Crafted from high-quality plywood for durability, it features smooth rolling swivel casters with brakes for stability. 2 drawers provide convenient storage, while the marble-textured tabletop and rounded edges deliver an elegant yet functional addition to small apartments or limited spaces. Purewood Utensil Drawer Organizer. Expandable and practical, this silverware tray offers efficient organization for kitchen drawers measuring at least 18 x 20 inch. Crafted from beautiful water-resistant bamboo, it expands from 7 to 9 compartments, catering to various storage needs. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its sleek design complements any kitchen decor. Easy to clean with a damp cloth, this organizer proves to be both a functional and stylish solution for keeping utensils neatly arranged. I have toothbrush holders. With advanced 4-in-1 sanitization, this toothbrush holder delivers ultimate hygiene. Equipped with UVA plus UVC dual light, turbo fan air drying, and constant temperature heat drying, it ensures efficient moisture evaporation from bristle gaps. It accommodates up to 8 toothbrushes, with smart auto or manual modes, including night light and aromatherapy features. Effortless installation with a non-marking adhesive strip provides strong adhesion to various surfaces, making this a convenient, stylish, and effective addition to any bathroom setup. So by Bathroom Storage Cabinet. Ample storage space meets sleek design with this tall, thin storage cabinet. Its 4 compartments with removable shelves offer customizable organization for various household items. Made from high-quality MDF with a natural finish, it ensures durability and waterproofing. Ideal for narrow spaces or placement behind doors, it provides excellent storage without occupying unnecessary space. Equipped with an anti-toppling mechanism, this cabinet guarantees safety, making it a reliable and stylish choice for compact areas. Filson Electric Composter. Designed for efficient composting, this electric composter offers a spacious 4L capacity to handle daily food waste. Its upgraded churning system with 6 blades easily cuts through small pieces of bones, allowing users to create fertilizer from various organic materials. With 2 activated carbon filters for odor control, this smart system also features an LED display, 3 composting modes, and an auto-clean function. Enjoy hassle-free, eco-friendly composting with this innovative countertop solution. SNSLXH Stackable Closet Organizer. Versatile and stylish, this folding closet organizer offers a convenient storage solution for clothes, toys, files, and more. Its stackable design allows customized storage management, fitting well in various spaces like bedrooms, offices, and kitchens. Made from durable, waterproof PP plastic, it ensures long-lasting use and easy maintenance. The foldable design saves space when not in use, making it an ideal choice for those seeking efficient and environmentally friendly organization options. Excosrack Makeup Organizer. Crafted from premium bamboo, this makeup organizer provides a chic and eco-friendly storage solution. Its large capacity includes 10 compartments, with 7 open shelves and 3 removable fabric drawers for versatile organization. The elegant natural texture and compact size make it suitable for various settings, such as bathrooms, bedrooms, and dressers. With its sturdy construction and ample storage space, this organizer effortlessly combines style and practicality for beauty enthusiasts. Van ACC Chaise Lounge. Combining spacious comfort and stylish elegance, this chaise lounge offers the perfect spot for relaxation. Its 47-inch deep seat, plush 6-inch sponge cushion, and soft striped faux fur fabric provide unmatched comfort. The modern design features double armrests and matching throw pillows, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Whether used for reading, lounging, or yoga, this versatile piece adds a touch of sophistication to any living space while delivering exceptional comfort. Sema Round Storage Ottoman. Luxurious yet practical, this round storage ottoman set offers hidden storage and stylish seating. Available in 5 beautiful colors, the Sherpa fabric exterior provides a plush feel, while the high-density sponge filling ensures comfortable sitting. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or kids' rooms, these ottomans function as footrests, extra seats, or elegant decor pieces. Easy maintenance and no assembly required make them a convenient and classy addition to any room. Transforming small spaces into highly functional, stylish havens has never been easier. These 20 space-saving Amazon must-haves are perfect for making the most out of your tiny kitchens and compact living areas, proving that great things truly do come in small packages. To snag the best deals on everything featured in this video, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow space-saving enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our newest tips, reviews, and innovative finds.